Okay, troopers, one more video. This white one here, we've continued on with the frame inspection. As I anticipated, the American Trooper in the middle, beautiful frame. Beautiful. Oh my God, it looks beautiful. That truck subsequently only has about 220,000 miles on it. So I think it might have spent quite a bit of time south and did fairly well on the weathering. This one, however, the frame on this truck is a fail. And it happened right away. I just went straight to the back tire. I walked up to the frame. Bam, I started hitting it. It sounds like a soggy roll of cardboard or a soft 2x4. No, not the flat beer. The wood kind. And look at that. Frame is done. That's done. I don't need to pry at this frame anymore. I don't need to look at it anymore. This 89 has a failed frame, and that's it. Safety is paramount. So we got a decent frame, we got a very good frame, we got a fail. Got all three of them done in I don't know, as long as it took me to talk to you, 10.5 minutes, 11 minutes. Later, troopers.